Is your check engine light on, and your scanner shows the P0113 code? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what the P0113 code means, the common symptoms, causes, and how you can fix it step by step. One, hard starting, especially in cold weather. 2, poor fuel economy. 3, rough idle or reduced engine performance. 4, check engine light stays on. Faulty intake air temperature, IAT, sensor. Damaged or loose wiring. Dirty or corroded connector. Sensor sending incorrect signal to the engine control unit. Now let's go through the simple steps to fix the P0113 code. Turn off the engine and open the hood. Locate the intake air temperature sensor near the air intake pipe or air filter housing. Disconnect the sensor connector and inspect it for dirt, corrosion, or loose wires. Clean the connector using electrical contact cleaner. If the sensor is damaged, replace it with a new one. Clear the error code using an OBD2 scanner and restart the engine to confirm the fix. This is how you can easily diagnose and fix the P0113 code. Thanks for watching Engine Clinic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car repair and diagnostic tips.